Students, so today I'll help you to memorize the 20 amino acids. This video would be in two parts. In part 1 I'll discuss that which of the 10 amino acids are essential and which of the 10 amino acids are non-essential, and in part 2 I'll discuss the structures. I'll give a trick to memorize the structures of these amino acids too. So let's get ahead with this part 1, that is I'll discuss that which 10 of these are essential and which 10 of these are non-essential. Okay, so let's get started. So I have found that there are some letters such as H, I, L, M, H, V, C, S, G, A, P, T. So the amino acids starting with these letters, that is I, L, M, H, V, are always essential. The amino acids starting with these letters, that is C, S, G, would be always non-essential, and the amino acids starting with these letters, that is APT, can be both, can be essential also, can be non-essential also. For example, let's take valine. Valine starts with a V, and here we have read that if V comes, then it's an essential. So we'll go ahead and straightly tell that valine is an essential amino acids. If someone asks us glutamine starts with G. So where is G? We'll find that G is here. So we can now tell that glutamine is non-essential. All the amino acids starting with G would be non-essential, no doubt. All the amino acids starting with these letters would be essential, and all the amino acids starting with these letters would be non-essential. And we have doubt only in these three. Only we have to struggle a little bit in these three letters, because these three letters can be both. For example, let's take example of A. In A, arginine is an essential amino acid and asparagine is a non-essential amino acid. So here there is a doubt. We can't confirm that with A it would be essential or non-essential. So for learning these three, so I have this part right here. So I have found that in case of A, only arginine is essential one. Except arginine, all the three amino acids which starts with A are non-essential. Only arginine is essential. I repeat, in the case of A, only arginine is essential amino acids, and except arginine, all the three are non-essential. In case of P, only phenylalanine is essential, and except this, all are non-essential. I know except this there is only one compound, but it would help you to remember that except phenylalanine, all are non-essential. In the case of P, only phenylalanine is essential. Okay. In case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential and the rest are essential. I repeat, in the case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential and rest are essential. Only you have to memorize these three compounds. Which three? I am talking about these three, that is arginine, phenylalanine and tyrosine. If you remember these three compounds, then you will get a hold on these 20 compounds. So I guess that memorizing these three compounds will be easy. That except in the case of A, only arginine is essential. In the case of P, only phenylalanine is essential. In the case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential, and the rest are essential. And rest I, L, M, H, V. I have a trick to memorize this also. That is, I love my house very. Not much, only up to these only. I love my house very. It is I, L, M, H, V. It's I, L, M, H, V. Okay. So amino acids starting with these letters are always essential. Amino acids starting with these three letters are always non-essential. You can memorize this also. I have a short trick, that is CSGO. It is a popular game. Or else there are only three letters, so you can memorize it, repeat it a number of times, and you will get it in your head. That is CSG. So amino acids starting with CSG are always non-essential, and we have doubt in this APT. APT can be both. That is, amino acid starting with APT can be both essential and non-essential. And for this I have gave this trick, that is, in the case of A, only arginine is essential. In the case of P, only phenylalanine is essential. In the case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential, and rest are essential. So you have to memorize only these three compounds which I have told earlier, that is arginine, that is phenylalanine and tyrosine. Okay, so now let's practice some questions. So in the case of glycine starts with G. What do we have? We had I, L, M, HV, we had CSG, we had APT. Okay, so now this G comes under this category, that is CSG, and we have read that CSG were non-essential, so we'll go straight ahead and say that glycine is non-essential amino acids. Leucine starts with L, and L comes under this category. Here is L, so we have read that is these are essential amino acids, so we'll go straight ahead and say essential. Tyrosine, here comes the real challenge. Tyrosine starts with T, and T falls under this category, that is APT, and we have read that in APT it can be both essential and non-essential. And what we have memorized, that in case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential and the rest are essential. So we can clearly say that tyrosine is non-essential, as we have memorized earlier. In arginine also starts with A. A also comes under this category, that is in the A also comes in this category, APT category. APT can be both essential and non-essential. And what we have memorized earlier, that in the case of A, only arginine is essential and the rest are non-essential. Only arginine is essential in the case of A and rest are non-essential. So arginine, go straight ahead and say essential. Serine, it starts with S. Where does S fall? S falls under this category, that is CSG category. So CSG category is non-essential one. So non-essential. Let me clear up this mess so you can solve others clearly. Okay. Now phenylalanine. Phenylalanine starts with P. P falls under this category, APT category. And we have read earlier that APT can be both essential and non-essential. And in the case of P, we have read that only phenylalanine is essential and the rest are non-essential. So go straight ahead and say phenylalanine is essential. Aspartate starts with A. A falls under this category, APT category. APT can be both essential and non-essential. And what we have memorized in A, that is only arginine is essential and the rest is non-essential. Is it arginine? No, it is not. It is aspartate. So it would be not essential. It would be non-essential, because only in the case of A, arginine is essential and the rest are non-essential. So as it is not arginine, it's non-essential. Threonine starts with T. What we have, T falls under this category, APT, and what we have memorized, in the case of T, only tyrosine is non-essential. Is it tyrosine? No, it is not tyrosine. It is threonine. So threonine would not be non-essential. It would be an essential amino acid. Asparagine starts with A. A falls under this category, APT. APT can be both essential and non-essential. And in the case of A, we have memorized that only in the case of arginine it is essential and the rest are non-essential. Is it arginine? No, it is not. Therefore, it would be not essential. It would be a non-essential amino acid. Okay. So this was a short video, and I guess that this will 100% help you to memorize these 20 amino acids, that which one is essential, which one is non-essential. In the part 2 of the video, I'll help you to memorize the structures also of these amino acids. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.